Welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching MCQ for all competitive exam. Today's topic Panchayat Raj system in Indian polity. All our previous year question we try to collect most important question. A committee appointed in 1977 to review working of Panchayat Raj was chaired by A. Balant Rai Mehta, B. K. N. Karchu, C. Jagjivan Ram, D. Ashok Mehta. Your answer is Ashok Mehta. Which article of Indian Constitution provides for institution of Panchayat Raj? Option A Article 36, option B Article 40, option C Article 39, option D Article 48. Your answer is Article 40. What was the reason for Gandhiji's support to decentralization of power? Option A decentralization ensure more participation of the people into democracy. Option B India had decentralization of power in the past. C decentralization was essential for the economic development of country. Option D decentralization can prevent communalism. Your answer is decentralization ensure more participation of the people into democracy. Which of the following is not a Panchayat Raj institution? Option A Gram Sabha, option B Nyay Panchayat, option C Gram Cooperative Society, option D Gram Panchayat. Your answer is Gram Cooperative Society. Balant Rai Mehta committee suggested that the structure of Panchayat Raj should be consist of option A the village, the block, the district level, option B mandal and the district level, option C village, district and state level, option D village, mandal, district and state level. Answer is the village, block and district level. The implementation of Jahar Rozgar Yojana rests with option A Gram Panchayat, option B state government, option C district collector, option D union government. Answer is Gram Panchayat. When was Panchayati Raj system introduced in India? Option A 1945, option B 1959, option C 1950, option D 1962. Your answer is 1959. Which of the following is a source of income of Gram Panchayat? Option A income tax, option B professional tax, option C sales tax, option D levy duties. Your answer is levy duties. All day-to-day function of panchayat in which of the following state are being operated on electronic system and are web based. This is being done for the first time in India for a panchayat. ऑप्शन ए केरला, ऑप्शन बी आंध्र प्रदेश, ऑप्शन सी कर्नाटका, ऑप्शन डी महाराष्ट्र। Your answer is Kerala. The Constitution of India mandates that the election of the Panchayat Raj should be held regularly after a gap of option A 2 years, option B 7 years, option C 3 years, option D 5 years. Your answer is 5 years. The 73rd Amendment of Indian Constitution deal with option A Panchayat Raj, option B compulsory primary education, option C Nagar Palikas, option D minimum age of marriage. Your answer is Panchayati Raj. Which one of the following amendments of the Constitution of India deals with the issue of strengthening of the Panchayat Raj? Option A 42 Amendment, option B 44 Amendment, option C 86 Amendment, option D 73rd Amendment. Answer is 73rd Amendment. Which one of the following states started the Panchayat Raj institution soon after the 73rd Constitution Amendment Act was passed? Option A Karnataka, option B West Bengal, option C Bihar, option D Odisha. Answer is Karnataka. The Ashok Mehta Committee laid greater emphasis on option A Gram Sabha, option B Taluka Panchayat Samiti, option C Jala Parishad, option D Mandal Panchayat. Your answer is Mandal Panchayat. The Panchayat Raj in India represents option A decentralization of power, option B participation of the people, option C community development, option D all of these. Your answer is all of these. Panchayat Raj system in India is laid down under option A fundamental rights, option B directive principle of state policy, option C fundamental duties, option D Election Commission Act policy. Your answer is directive principle of state. Who was the president of committee on whose recommendation was the Panchayat Raj established in India? Option A Balant Rai Mehta, option B Iqbal Narayan, option C Ashok Mehta, option D Jivraj Mehta. Your answer is Balwant Rai Mehta committee. Thank you watching our video. Please subscribe our channel.